Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be doing a product review with Born Pretty. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. As you've seen there, I am doing ducky nails for you guys today. This is Born Pretty Super Shine Silver Metal Painting Gel. I am going to leave the product link in the description box below. I also am an affiliate with Born Pretty, so I am also going to leave my discount code IsmsByJBM to get an additional 10% off of your items. You guys, Born Pretty is one of my best brands that I love to use, and not only that, their pricing is very good for their products compared to other brands, so I definitely suggest to check them out. But this painting gel, you guys, it's crazy. It is really shiny. They've had metallic paint gels that I've received before. And I was like, why am I getting this again? Question mark? Because I already have a metallic one, but this one here, again, product link in the description box below so you don't get confused to which one you should get. This one is like super shiny. It's super metallic looking. It looks like liquid mercury, but shinier. If you've ever seen liquid mercury, just don't touch it. But anyway. For this design today, you guys, I thought it would be super cute to do another Halloween. I'm just going to be doing Halloween sets. I mean, there might be different designs depending on what I'm doing. I never know what kind of videos I'm doing. Obviously, Worldly Josieisms is never going to be a Halloween-y type set. But yeah, I'm in totally the mood for Halloween, so I thought with these duck-shaped nails, how perfect would it be to do little ghosts on my nails? And I did already background these with white, which was not Born Pretty, so I just wanted to get that out of the way. But for these nails, I'm going to put on a ghost for the pinky, middle, and thumb finger. And then I am going to be writing down boo, exclamation point, on my ring and index finger. So before I let this play out with some music, duckies. So yeah, I seen this first on the Nail Genie SC's channel, and it kind of inspired me to try these out. I am not particularly fond of a square nail even. I like coffin tipped or ballerina or stiletto. So anything outside of that, like square, let alone ducky, is just not my cup of tea. But of course I'm going to try something new at least once. And these were so super cute. And to be honest, y'all saw my nails in the last video, the shorties, square shorties, and I was like, all right, I don't feel like I just did those nails literally like 2 days ago, and I didn't feel like removing them altogether. So I said to myself, okay, let's file this down a little bit and let's try to just add more poly gel on to shape it like duck nails. So I don't know, based on the channels that I've watched, and I'm talking about like the professional techs like Nail Career Education, Christy Meekin, Dorota Palika, like they never just, or at least maybe I've missed it and I didn't see it, but they've never just, unless they're just doing an infill, they don't keep the nail and then just put more product on top, you know, unless it's an infill like I'm saying. But in this case, I am totally changing the shape of the nail. Ooh, I want to stand corrected. Oh no, Nail Coup. I think the Nail Coup actually did that. I watch her like on occasion, and she changed the shape of the nails without removing the whole nail. But anyway, So, I mean, they say that it's not suggested because it's not as strong as it could be if you just did it all from scratch. But I said, ah, screw it. It's a shorty. I'm not like, you know, jabbing my nails into the boxes anymore. Like, it'll be fine. Plus, I was in a time crunch. So I took my best polygel product and I shaped up these ducky nails over my square nails, and I think it turned out all right. Like, it's really hard to kind of gauge at one point does the duck nail fan out. I wasn't too sure if it fans out before the tip at the tip, or when I say tip, I mean where your nail line, the base of your nail line ends and your nail tip begins, if that makes any sense. Hopefully it does. But I didn't know if it would start tapering out before or after that, so it was all touch and go. But I think these came out all right. They're kind of cute. The way they came off on the nail form, I was like, ooh, I'd like to just leave it like that. But it was like, the nail tip was kind of like an underbite. Like, it wasn't straight down. So I did have to file. Like, I wanted to keep it because I thought it looked cool. But I ended up filing it even Steven. So, at any rate, I am going to be using thermal gels next. I'm using the colors 15, 22, and 12. And to be honest, guys, like, I don't remember which color is which, and I don't have these bottles with me right now, but let me see. I could probably figure it out. I'll just have to look it up. What numbers did I say again? 15, 12, 22. Okay, I got this. So right now I'm using number 12. And I was picking out Halloween colors. If you missed the live where I did the unboxing, go check that out. I'll leave it at the end of this video. But as I'm putting this on, I guess I didn't realize how warm my hand was, because in my mind I'm thinking, wow, this is very transparent. I mean, I don't know if like I'm putting enough on there, so I ended up double coating this nail, which I don't think I needed to do, because as I'm currently putting this on now, my nail was warm enough to where it was already color changing. So you see me like swiping a million times. These thermal gels are very sensitive, which is perfect because some of the time you really have to go far just to get that color back. Like, you have to either, you know, wash your hands in, you know, hot AF water, or, you know, dip your hands in ice cold water. And I don't find that fun. So I like the ones that where it just automatically is, it's like sensitive enough to where it just changes. And that was that, which is why I thought the color wasn't going on. I'm so silly. But anyway, this one here is number 15. And it's the purplish lilac, or no, it's not lilac. I have to stop using lilac. It's like, let's just say purple. I don't know. Like I've always said, I just wish Born Pretty came up with color names. But they have a lot of colors, so I understand that coming up with a name might be very daunting, a task. But anyway, this nail polish here, I only used one coat because it's very, not very, but it's thicker in consistency because it has these super fine silver glitters that I love, love, love. And I was so annoyed that I forgot I wanted this color on my ring finger, because I usually have the bling on the ring finger. But I was like, all right, well, let's just be assertive and put it on the index finger. The assertive bling. But yeah, this took one coat, and I loved it. And because there is more metals, I mean, not metals, well, I'm sure there's metals. The glitter in there is probably metal. That it did take a bit to change in color, since it wasn't, you know, I'm assuming my whole hand is hot being under a filming light and the lamp from, you know, the previous polish I put on there. So this purple obviously is taking a minute to turn into pink. You can kind of see already it wants to turn. But anyway, this one here is 22. I love this one because it's more obvious of a bling, but I've never, that's probably a lie, I've seen glitter in thermal. But I really love the chunky glitters in it. So for the middle nail, I did originally think I'm just going to put this orangey color by itself, but I'm like, no, I did the marble in the Night at the Improv episode. So I really wanted to do this middle nail in a marble. So I'm going to do the same technique. I put this watercolor nail gel that they also gave me, and I figured out it's for marbling. I just never heard it be called watercolor before. I've usually just seen blooming gel for stuff like that. But anyway, so I'm using their watercolor nail gel, and again, I'll leave the product link in the description box below. All of these products that I'm using today, I am putting in the description box below. And I'm using the same techniques that I did in the Improv episode. I'm just taking the three colors, 15, 22, and 12, and I'm swirling it up on my little palette here, and using my marble brush. And I'm just going to do this wiggle action. So, I don't know, haphazard, not really planning it out, just getting it on there. And oh my gosh, you guys, so sorry for that. That was loud, and I was talking in the middle of it, so I don't know how to edit that out, but it was just my hubby telling me he loves me. So that was really cute. We'll randomly throughout the day give ourselves, you know, is that an affirmation? I don't know. Stuff like that. So that still happens after, I don't know, we were only married for like 3+ years, but we've been together since 2016. So what's that? Oh my goodness, that is 7 years. Lord have mercy. It's like I just met him yesterday. Kinda, not really. But anyway, wow, you guys, I'm just gonna have to play Halloween music during this video because I just talked through this whole kit and caboodle. But here is the end result. This is when my hand is fairly cold. If you look on their website, they tell you what degree it does change. So, and then this is a close-up view. I am gonna show the nails when they are warmed up, but look how cute this is. And I put cute little eyes on each ghost. So the idea was, like, when my hands heat up, it shows the ghost and the boo, and so you get all scared, but not really. But anyway, I hope you like this set, you guys. Again, I am an affiliate with Born Pretty. I'm going to leave my discount code IsmsByJosie for an additional 10% off on these products, which I will be also leaving in a description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. I really liked using these products into this Halloween design. The colors were like super perfect. It's like you get that Halloween, and when your hands heat up, it turns into a disco night with the colors, or it gives me 70s vibes. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is IsmsByJosie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And join me again. Thursday we have Worldly Josieisms, and Friday I have my live at 8 p.m. Eastern Time for my yet another unboxing. I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.